Once again, we are here in beautiful Mesa, Arizona, where we will be covering a foundation repair. Our foreman here will be using push piers. So let's see what he's gonna do for the homeowner today.
All right, so I'm Steven Rasmussen. We're out here in Mesa. We're installing 7 push piers today. I have a little bit of stair step and crack going on on the corner of the house, trying to get that closed up and stabilized for our customer. We are doing hand digs. Those are whenever we can't get our excavator into certain confined spaces. Just trying to protect the turf, do whatever we can to protect the property. That's where we're at. Just getting all that ready to roll. Get it all dug. We'll start installing. Now all the piers installed. This particular home had some stair step crackling going on in the back right hand corner prior to the lift. The customer was a little concerned about whether or not that crack would close up, but happy to say that the crack indeed did close up. So our customer was pretty pleased with that. You can consider this a small job, but we had some tight holes to work with. One of the holes in particular was a larger concrete pad that we had to get through with some power lines and other things running through it. But with the little elbow grease sheets, we got through it and got all the piers installed. So all in all, it's a slightly tough job, but got it done and happy customers.